Judy, and today I have the dishes and I'm going to be washing them. So, Daddy, you should be real because I am really doing the dishes. No kidding. There. You want to see me? Look, you see, I wasn't kidding. Now your cup is all washed. From Judy, the washer machine. Now let's see me do it for real. This big thingy machine. So now it's time to do it for real. You see, I wasn't lying. Oh no! We have a fire. This is too hot.
You using hot water?
No, not anymore. There we go.
That's a good job, Judy. You're being very helpful.
Thank you, Mommy. This video is made by Judy, the dishwasher, and Snack.
Okay. You want to say anything more?
If you want
What?
a possible shout out next week's video, comment